Hey y'all. How y'all doing today? Hope y'all doing well. Thank you for tuning in again. And so this series I'm going to be doing is harvest season, okay? What seeds did we sow? And what are those seeds growing for us, okay? And I'm starting with Pisces. Okay? We're gonna take it back. Take it back now, y'all. I was listening to the Cha-Cha slide earlier. That was so funny. My son was like, why are you dancing so much? So good. I hope y'all dancing and having fun with your kids, by yourself. I hope y'all are finding peace exactly where you are. And if there's no peace there, then that's something to investigate. All right, so what's the overall energy? And I will be reading from the book for these cards. What's the overall energy happening for Pisces, their harvest season? Pisces harvest season. I have a Sribala with card number 27. I'm just going to do one because I feel like this energy is really hefty. Could be kind of. Mantra Shakti. Card number 27 and 40. Alright, let's not waste no time. I love the artwork on these cards. Beautiful. These cards are amazing. I love them. This is the Kali Oracle deck. Okay, so it says the aspect of Lalita Tripura Sundari Sribala translates as divine child, or more specifically as God the daughter. It is far more commonplace for the divine child to be represented as male, and in numerous cultures, having a boy is considered particularly auspicious. So, Sribala is not only a celebration of the divine feminine child, but an inversion of dominant cultural values. Her presence shakes up traditional power structures with her combination of innocence and fearlessness. It is my sense that there are emanations of Sribala in the form of particularly pure-hearted, fearless, and empowered young women speaking and acting for the protection of the feminine in our world today, such as through environmental activism. I'm feeling tingles all over my body. It was taught that Bala asked her goddess mother Lalita to allow her to join the battle against evil. She is so passionate to fulfill her inner yearning that her body cannot keep still. Lalita expresses her concern that Bala is still a child, inexperienced, therefore potentially vulnerable. She frets at the thought of losing her daughter, especially when others could take her place on the battlefield. However, Bala petitions her mother again, asking to be allowed to express who she is. Lalita recognizes her daughter's determination and provides her with armor and her blessing, at which point Bala kicks demon butt and saves the day. She conquers 30 demons in an extremely difficult yet perfectly executed martial arts demonstration. Now that's some serious girl power. This reminds me of Superwoman, the story of Superwoman when they went back into her life when she was a little girl. Sribala arises when we need to trust in what feels right on an inner level, not allowing a lack of external validation to deter us from our innate and authentic purpose. Muscle does not have to meet muscle. The strength of intention combined with pure and fearless commitment to our true nature is enough to change the course of what is happening. The mountain can be moved by faith the size of a mustard seed. The story of Feisty Bala can inspire us. At first, we may gain no support for our efforts. We must continue to apply ourselves and not give up on who we are and what we came to this planet to accomplish in doing so. The power needed shall be divinely given. Public validation can come later, but we do not need it to accomplish what is required. The Tantras teach that Bala saw the battle unfolding and what was necessary to attain success with complete clarity. Adults tend to underestimate a child's capacity to see what is going on, yet the child is the unconditioned part of us, the part that sees things as they are. In a reading, the presence of Sri Bala implies that our instinctive desires to pursue a particular path of fulfillment and expression are authentic. The authentic path is the safest and most protected path we can take. It is the one on which we are closest to the divine, to our true nature with all its wisdom, intuition, and creative resourcefulness. We can more readily attract what we need, and things fall into place more effortlessly. It seems to be the opposite of playing it safe. Yet, the more we diverge from our authentic being, the more disconnected we are from our divine connection, and the more danger we will encounter. That means don't let anybody deter you from doing anything that is your authentic self and your, Bala is said to be Lolita's breath. What does that mean? Breath keeps energy flowing through the body. When Bala declares that she wants to fight, it is the stirring of an honest and natural impulsive within. To breathe is instinctive. The childlike wildness, unaffected, untamed of Bala is the unconditioned self that knows how to move toward its natural fulfillment. Our minds step in to say no or to give reasons why it's not appropriate, like the unconventional notion of a little girl as powerful, conquering war hero. Yet the innate wisdom of the soul needs to be allowed to manifest. She is not fighting for the sake of it. She is fighting against the evil she sees. To allow for Sri Bala to arise within is to allow for the protective spirit that sees truthfully and acts with purity and fearless commitment to the path. Even if our mother worries about our life choices at first, the Divine Mother empowers her, and so too empowers us to manifest our destinies with her help. Trust your destiny. You are more than capable of the task for which your heart yearns. Okay, we got a fighter here. I love it. I'm not going to read 40, all of 40. Okay. I'll read just the beginning, okay? Her voice creates and dissolves universes. Her vibration within our soul creates our life path. You have the sacred power of voice. How shall you express it? To call for effective divine assistance in all ways. Do not allow negative thought or speech to undermine your inner spiritual connection. Claim your voice and your power to create. Listen for inner guidance and then set your course in motion. Though it may not yet be visible in your physical world, a new order is generating within the soul. In time, it shall manifest and transform physical circumstances. Okay, so we have a fighter, we have someone who's speaking up, we have someone who is fighting for, look at this one. We have someone who is fighting for what's right, someone who is not afraid to stand up. I'm hearing that song. So I'm gonna stand up. Take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, you hear freedom calling, calling me to keep on keeping on. I could feel it in my bones. And I'm not lying, like I feel so tingly all over Pisces. Whatever you're doing, it feels good. You feel empowered. You feel strong. You feel like this is the right thing. You feel energized, okay? What's your higher self telling you right now? In their shoes, card number 37. And awakened, okay? And then we have daydreaming, abundance. You could be imagining abundance in your life. You're creating, okay? Because this card 40, mantra shakti, you could definitely be saying affirmations. You're creating something beautiful in your life. This card shows some red, so you're grounding yourself. You are very grounded right now. You know exactly what it is and what you want, okay? And that's beautiful. And then we have sacral chakra and solar chakra. If you could see how this is, I'm going to take a picture and I'm going to make it the thumbnail so you can see exactly what I'm talking about if you watch this whole video, right? But it's like root chakra, sacral chakra, solar chakra. So you're in alignment, and there's so much yellow here as well. You're in your power. You're not taking no for an answer. You are an activist. You could be a social worker. You could be someone, I'm hearing podcasts, radio shows, TED Talk. Interesting. You are not letting up on your dreams and your aspirations. You're not, and I love that for you. 37, 20, and 22, 40, and 27. So we have increases here, right? 27, 37, 20, 40, and then 22. Your life path could be 22. You could be 40, 27, 20, 37, or 22 years old. But Pisces, you guys are dreamers, okay? And it looks like you're following your dreams to me. And it's going to lead to some type of abundance. You are abundance, okay? And it has fresh start here, okay? You could be anxious as well. Abundance, fresh start, and anxious. You're changing. She just changed her hair. She's cut it all off. She's looking new. And we have sexy time here. Okay, individuality. Sneaky. All right, listen. Let's see. What's your current energy, Pisces? What's your current energy? So I know you've been going through it. Oh my gosh. You've been feeling the effects of this past supermoon and Pisces. Boy, it was strong. Okay, so decisions, maybe about who to work with. You could be working with multiple people, trying to figure something out. 2 of Swords, 6 of Earth. I'm hearing return on an investment. I kind of want to get one more, to be honest with you. Return on an investment. Decision. It's trying to use your intuition. Who to give to, what to give to. Can I get one more for Pisces current energy? Yeah, you are taking your time and making these decisions, which is a good thing. Okay? 2 of air, 6 of earth, messenger of earth, and Fool. You are something is increasing for you as well. We have here a brand new start, but then the messenger of earth is ahead of it. So it's like slow, steady, sure energy. Okay, you could be you could be taking the time to cross your T's and dot your I's, and so that you can be sure about something before you take the risk. It could be something is uneven right now. It's funny, you see this what you call these deers with the big old things on their head? I forget the name of them. But you see the head, but you don't see the body. You're not seeing all of something right now. That could be why you're taking your time. And there's also 2 pentacles here hanging off of his head. 2 pentacles on his like neck, chest area. Somebody is staring right at something. Interesting. Something is in plain sight. I feel like somebody could be hiding money as well. Action plan. I just heard action plan. But look at these hanging in the back, hanging off of there. Are those extra pentacles? And mad money? Does somebody have a secret bank account? I love it. That's good. If you know you're on the right side of right. You should keep some money separate for yourself. It's at the bottom of the deck. 6 of water. Somebody is thinking about something in the past. Ooh, a toxic marriage. And the 8 of wands. 3 of earth. There was communication about somebody working with someone. I feel like somebody knows they have to move forward and protect themselves from some sort of betrayal, or somebody has the upper hand in something as well. Somebody is moving forward though, and someone knows it. There was some type of, there could have been some nasty communication in the past as well. Okay, somebody could have been conversating about something behind your back. Somebody could feel stuck in a marriage. Trying to this action plan, okay, to move forward. All right. What seeds have you sown in the past? What seeds did you sow in the past? Pisces, what seeds did you sow in the past? I'm going to turn this down a little bit, okay? What seeds did Pisces sow in the past? Okay, we got Hangman and the King of Fire. You could have stopped. A King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could have taken the time to really analyze something in the past. I mean, in the past, yeah, well, in the past, but analyze this person. You've seen something. Bottom of the deck is the messenger of air. So there was some type of communication, some quick communication, or some quick, something could have taken somebody off balance. I heard heart stop. So something was shocking. Let me get one more on what seeds did Pisces sow in the past. You got the fuck out of there. Yeah, got the fuck out of there. You were able to see this King of Fire in a very different light, okay? Very different. You've seen right through this person's mask. Yeah, look. He's wearing a mask and it's transparent, okay? And you got the fuck out of there. Earlier today, I was scrolling on one of these things, and I seen a video. They were putting, like, it looked like sheets of paper on their skin. Their skin was wet with something, I don't know. And they put, like, these things that look like paper, you know, that tissue paper, and it completely dissolved on their skin, and it looked so perfectly clear. It took this old wrinkled pruny looking lady to like a baby ass, okay? Super smooth, plump. Her skin was impeccable. I was like, oh my God, we never have to age, okay? So like, you could have been with someone for quite some time, okay? Because this is an older man. All right. It could have been a difference of opinions here. The King of Fire is very, very, very passionate and driven. He's a leader. He's highly sexual. He's I'm getting Aries energy here as well. This man is thinking, he's looking, he's all his antennas are up, you know. So you definitely seen something from a higher perspective. Okay, you made yourself, you stopped and think, and then you took action. Okay, and you went for it, because the Chariot also talks about success in moving forward. It also talks about being guided. All right. And that Queen of Fire came out. And she, well, didn't come out. She didn't. What was the result of this? What was the result? The world. Something came to an end. Can I get one more? Thank you. An Emperor. Result. Control. Power. Okay, you got your power back. You got that Nine of Pentacles energy here. When I split it to shuffle it, it was the Messenger of Air and the Nine of Pentacles. So this quick action thinking that you did was able to preserve some type of stability for you. Somebody could also want to talk about something. You know something, or somebody knows something. You could be highly intuitive as well. Okay. Can I get one more on that? What's the result? What was the result? Thank you, Spirit. You took your power back in this connection in a home. You were able to celebrate. Do you remember that scene in the movie? I can't remember. Is it Brown Sugar? I don't know. The one with Sanaa Lathan and Taye Diggs. And this is the one where they grew up together, and she's a journalist, and Queen Latifah's in there. Anyway, he was dating this woman who was very promiscuous. She was dating someone on the side, acting like she wasn't married, and he caught her, and he came in drunk. He sat at the table, and she was taken aback. She was like, oh my God, you know, I can't believe he's here. And he was like, no, chill, you ain't gotta go nowhere. So anyway, so he was like, we're celebrating. And she was like, what are we celebrating? Or a guy, one of them. He was like, my divorce. So you could have been happy about this. You could have felt like a weight was lifted off for you. Okay, let's see how those actions that you took affect you. How is it affecting Pisces? Oh. You have the 8 of fire, 2 of fire, Page of earth, 7 of water, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so things are moving really, really fast for you. Okay, ever since you took this step in this direction. Okay, because you've already decided what direction you're going. Okay, and with this Page of earth, I feel like you have luck on your side. You have a childlike view of the world, of the situation, your environment around you. Is passion, fire, energy with this stable, grounded earth energy. And this 7 of water speaks about, it's very a highly spiritual, intuitive card as well. But it's because this is the good tarot, right? It's speaking about out of the illusion, all right? Seeing, it's more like options, kind of. So you are being gifted, you're being given a lot of options here, and stability with this Ace of Earth. I feel like whichever path or whichever endeavor or these different things coming in for you while you're on this path is going to bring you in a lot of stability. Okay. You're healing your heart. You could definitely be a little bit more social now. Something could definitely have to do with a third party. Okay. I hate to say this, but somebody could have been sleeping with somebody's friends. Husband or wife could have been sleeping with the husband or wife's friend. Okay, there was some gossip that was involved as well. Because we have the Three of Swords and the Three of Cups as well. But on this Three of Swords card, on her wings, there's a crowned bird. And then there's two birds up on that branch back there. So for me, that's, if this was a group work, group projects, you know, somebody got left out of the deal, okay, and someone is going off to make their own thing happen. This is was a relationship or a friends group. You're in a better place, right? Because I also feel like you're being watched over as well. There was a tower moment. Okay, so you could have found out about, you received information, okay, as well as communication incoming about this, about something, about this situation. You received information about it, and it definitely cut deep, you know, about this group of friends. Okay, you could definitely be protecting yourself from them, guarding yourself from them. Okay, there's 3 stars here, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fairies. 3 stars, 6 fairies. Interesting. But there was a tower. Oh, there is a tower. Okay. Something to have to do with some type of illusions about a family or a group. This, it's a woman and her dog here. Somebody can have red hair. Somebody might have a Shiba dog. But there's a trunk, a chest of treasure here on this 10 of Pentacles. So, like I said, like somebody could have been hiding money. Okay, someone is maybe walked away to work with somebody else, okay? Or somebody has walked away to work on themselves, yeah, and create their own wish fulfillment. Or somebody is going to have this situation will bring something good will come out of this situation. I just seen in my head one of my other cards from another deck. Okay. Interesting. And what can Pisces expect moving forward? What can Pisces expect moving forward? 5 of Fire, 2 of Water, 3 of Earth, and Hierophant. Clarify this, please. It's that 5 of Fire. The Sun and the 4 of Swords. Happiness, success. Okay, after this fight, at least success. The truth about this competition. The Emperor is out here twice. Then we have the Queen of Pentacles and the Emperor. Oh, somebody wants to make an offer. They want to come and communicate as well. Something will be a little shocking with this here. You know, no matter how you slice it, you're getting a brand new, fresh start. But you're going to be getting the truth. Okay? You'll be able to have, I'm hearing this, it's going to be a brighter day, a brighter day. It's a gospel. I don't know the name of it at all. Kirk Franklin. I'm a hangman. Okay, so confusion. You're cutting through the fog. Once you get this truth, okay, you're going definitely. It's a Two of Cups. Yeah. All right. once you going for it, once you get this truth, I feel like you're gonna scrap this relationship or scrap this union. Okay, just fighting here in the 2 of Cups with the 5 of Swords. Somebody could want to have sex, or there's something shocking about, yeah, something is going to shock you. 3 of Earth, about who somebody was given to. King of Swords and the 6 of Cups. Somebody might want to reconcile. They might want to work together and have equal give and take. Okay. Something with that sword, I feel like trust your own judgment. Okay, that's the sword of truth about something in the past, or someone from the past, or someone you've known since childhood. Okay, or you having this nostalgic type of energy. You're going to be able to see something. Okay. Like, why is something so hard? Somebody may... Tell us about this situation, y'all. I just feel like what you can expect moving forward, there's some conflict here, or competition, or fighting, changes. Okay? These changes are going to bring truth and victory. You're going to be able to rest. Okay? You could be needing to surrender control. All right? With this 5 of Swords and the Page of Pentacles, clarifying this 2 of Cups, somebody could be going towards a new opportunity, or walking away from something and going towards something new, something different. Or somebody could be communicating with you. Okay? Waving the white flag okay? Somebody could be like tired of fighting, warring with somebody. Tell us about what Pisces can expect moving forward. You got eternal love, eternity, consistency, and soulmate, self-love. All right. Sweet dreams. I love this. Indulgence. What else? Perseverance. Yes. Vivacious. Daydream. Blind. Are you doing offerings? Somebody making offers? Somebody may want to apologize for collaborating with someone. Somebody was being stubborn. Fell on top of this page of water here. Somebody didn't want to listen to some intuition here. Somebody didn't want to follow their intuition. And we have call, which is the judgment card. Yeah, 4 of air. Somebody didn't want to listen to something. Hesitation, idea, adventure. Somebody was unsure and undecided about if something was a good idea to take a risk on. Tell us more. Something is a nightmare now. What else here? Care, parenthood, support, stability, promise, death, live and learn. Homeless. Okay, so somebody could have had a baby, then got married. Okay, something could be over. Somebody could have passed away. Or somebody lost something. Okay, but we have live and learn here. And we have homeless. Memory and stress. All right. What else do we need to know about this situation for Pisces? Somebody was committed to causing a natural disaster for a sweetie. Or you are the sweetie and somebody was committed to causing a natural disaster for you. And it came out reverse, right? Gain in reverse. There was no gain for somebody. Yeah. Somebody was trying to steal something, but now they're sick. Somebody could have been trying to make someone sick. Steal somebody's gains. Okay. Something was immoral. Someone has evidence. You may have gotten this evidence. Okay. Yeah, you got proof of this shit. Somebody got proof. Somebody was in their pride and ego. They was trying to bully somebody, probably doing rituals. Okay. Somebody was trying to protest something. Trying to schedule something. Trying to keep something from somebody. All right. What do we want to do now? We want to get some extra details, or we want to cut it? I think we should leave it right here. All right. Let's get some ancestral advice, ancestors and guides, as well as your angels, Pisces. Let's get you some advice from your angels, ancestors, and guides. Shaolin Master. Be graceful in movement and action. And then we have Traveler. Move in a new direction. Trader. Exchange energy to create abundance. Trust in the unknown. Somebody could have been trying to exchange your energy, or vice versa. With Shaolin Master, it says, slow and steady, breathe and flow. Take a gentler approach. And then with Traveler, we have welcome any opportunities to travel, either to the outer world or to your inner worlds. Okay? So I hope that I was able to give you something that you can use. You guys be good out here. All right?